Nature, go away.
What's happening, people? What's happening, people? Starting the vlog today. Oh, what's happening, people? Starting the vlog today. Start the daily vlog, right? Starting today. Close it.
Open it.
Just push it up.
I did.
It's broken. We're gonna go.
Does anybody know how to work these blinds?
If you know how to work the blinds, please comment below, and then tomorrow when we're gone from here, we'll read it. We're gonna go eat J Dawgs. I watched Interstellar last night. And there was people who talked it up, and especially this one dude that I watched his vlogs, his name's Sam. He talked a lot about it, and so I was like, I should see that. And so I was like, let me look at it. So I watched it, and like most of the time I was like, alright, I'm understanding it. It's not that crazy. And then when it was like ending, I was like, what just happened? It was crazy. So anyway, I'm gonna have to watch it again because I got a little lost, but it is a cool movie.
Yes. Say cheese.
Say J Dawgs. So good right now.
Guys, David just started a new thing. I mean, it's a thing on Sesame Street, but in his life, it's a word of the day. What is it, David?
What?
The word of the day.
Jaunt?
Maybe he's gonna. Oh.
Jaunt.
He's said jaunt probably 20 times in the last hour. Just gotta get her hiking rock.
He biked like 25 miles today.
Did you get one? No, you didn't. We're at Bridal Veil Falls in Provo Canyon.
David Bridal Falls.
I'm here with 3 of my old roommates. One of them is my sister-in-law that you already know, Cindy. This is Courtney. She's probably one of our 50 subscribers, if we're lucky.
Honestly, I haven't watched them all.
I'm gonna make David edit all of this out then. Just kidding. There's Megan, hanging out with Papa.
He loves Megan.
True. They can speak Spanish to each other. He doesn't like me as much as her because I don't speak Spanish. Just kidding. It's pretty.
Nature, go away.
There they are. They'll be coming around the mountain when they come. Look at those sweet mountains over there. If my longboard didn't get jacked off my porch in Rexburg, stinking Mormons, I would be longboarding up here probably, because I like to bomb hills, not countries, if you know what I mean. What are these called again? Bridal Rail Falls? Bridal Veil Falls. I don't know if you can see them behind me either, somewhere over there, but we're at the Bridal Veil Falls. It's packed because of Labor Day. See those people right up there? Let's see if I can zoom in. Oh, there they are. Right there, the camera's super shaky. Right there. And there was a guy rappelling. Must have got down. Saskatchewan Falls?
Basically.
What do you guys have to say about it?
It's pretty fallerific. There's like
Pretty fallerific.
there's like a guy in like the water and he's rappelling.
Bye.